Hello and welcome to this short video. Today I'm gonna explain you how to easily mine Tron. So first of all, you need a wallet. If you already have one, you can just use that one. If not, I'm gonna show you how to easily get one. So first of all, you're gonna click on the link in the description for Exodus, and then you download this program here and install it. When you install it, you're gonna open it. And that's how it should look like when you opened it. Then you click on wallet and we search for Tron, and then we press receive and copy this link here and save it somewhere. Just saving it here. Now next step is that we need a mining program to actually mine. Therefore you have to check if you have a 4 GB or a GPU over 4 GB or one under 4 GB. I got one over 4 GB, so I'm gonna use this link, and then we can download the miner here. It's gonna take a few seconds. Okay, so then we have this folder. We extract it and open that one, and now we go on start.bat, go on edit, more info, run anyway, and then here's our code, and where it says your TRX address, that's where you have to put the address we copied earlier. So take the address here, put it in here, and file, save as. Now it's important to collect all files, so it replaces the existing one. Yes, okay, that's basically it. Now we can already start mining, so therefore we just press start, allow access, and you see the GPU is starting and soon it's gonna start mining. So now the question is, how are we gonna see how much we already mined and how can we transfer it into our wallet? So therefore we click on this link here, and then you have to put first you have to check that it's the right coin. So it should be the right coin when you press on the link, but just make sure it should be Tron here. And then we put our address of our wallet again in here. So now we can see here how much we already mined. So 0.2 is our balance, and you have to wait a few seconds till it shows up that you are mining, or a few minutes. Just don't wonder why there's nothing showing yet. Just wait a few minutes, and then you can see here we can pay out when we mined 15 Tron automatically or not, however we want it. And yeah, that's basically it. I hope I could help you, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and then see you next time. Bye bye.